Hey guys, welcome back to Wildman Creations. I'm Jay. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you would do me a favor, watch this video all the way through. Hit the subscribe and the like button. I would really appreciate it to help the channel out too. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be working on a car. It's my daughter's 2007 Toyota Camry. Kind of a short story. She went up to Broken Bow, Oklahoma Thursday and was going to spend Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday up there. And she called me yesterday about noon and said, "Dad, the check engine light came on and it's blinking." So, of course, I got on the internet right away to try to figure out what was going on. She was able to drive from, where she was staying into town and got to the auto parts store, and they were able to put the, an OBD2 reader on it and diagnose it, and come to find out it's one of the coil packs. So I was able to order some of those yesterday. They haven't made it in yet. This is Sunday, I don't know, about 2 o'clock. Last time I looked, they said they would be here between 5:15 and 9:15 tonight. So I'm going to try to be a little proactive and try to get some of this stuff out of the way before the parts get here. So I'm not waiting until I get the parts, and then I got to do all this work and then not be able to get finished until midnight. So if you'll hang around with me, we'll get into this together and see what we can find out. So in the meantime, I'm going to jump in the car here. I'll bring you with me and we'll check out the OBD2 reader and see what the actual code number was. So hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, so basically, Kathleen and I talked about it. We're only going to replace the one coil pack and one spark plug that's bad, because the videos that I watched, you got to take the air filter, the plenum, the throttle body loose from the intake manifold. Take the intake manifold off, which there's brackets and all kinds of other crap you got to take off, and hoses. It's 8 o'clock at night. I got to go to bed here in a little bit because I got to get up at 4:30 in the morning. But Kathleen said she wanted to change this, so I'm going to bring her out and let her change this so we can get this thing running, hopefully, and clear the code. So be right back with you. All right, so I'm here with Kathleen. She's going to take the coil pack loose. It is 10 millimeter.
Oh, I don't think that's...
Yeah, just turn this right here. There you go. Pull it out.
Do I pull it out?
There you go. Toss that one aside. Change the socket over. Take this off. Put this one on.
How do I do that?
Just like that. You see down in there?
Mm-hmm. Twist, then pull. Sure.
Yep.
Do I twist it a certain amount?
Just until it comes loose. Here, hold that.
I was expecting it to be one twist and a pull.
No, and it should have come out easier than that. Usually you don't have to, after you break them loose, they usually come out pretty easy. Ticky.
What is that?
Oh, somebody put something on it when they put them back in there. That's why it wouldn't come out.
Oh. Oh, like that threading stuff?
Yeah.
Or something?
Okay. Put that coil pack back on.
Or is it not? I feel like it's.
That's good. And then plug your, make sure it goes all the way down. Okay. Start her up.
You want to crack the garage or anything?
No, because it's not going to run very long. Just,
Oh, I guess I can.
yeah. Is that normal?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The coil pack and seemed to fix the problem. And then we'll get to the other ones here later on. I don't have enough time tonight to do the other ones. So anyway, that's 2007 Toyota Camry coil pack and spark plug change. And maybe I'll do like a follow-up video or something when we do the rest of this mess, but it just takes too long. So anyway, again, I thank you guys for joining me here at Wildman Creations. And if you would, again, hit that subscribe and like button. I would really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you later. Bye now.